Just let me ask you a few questions then. You know what? How many angels have you ever met before? How many angels, huh? Oh, that's good.
Not really.
None, not nine. Oh, really? None. So what makes you the expert on how I should look like?
Well, I have been to church. I have read the Bible, and I know what angels are supposed to look like.
Well, here's my second question for you. Do fashions change your...
Yes, everything gets shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter.
Do people still wear today what they wore during the biblical times? Because you see, I can't imagine Madonna wearing loincloths.
No, but
What more do you like?
but wings. An angel has wings.
I used to have wings.
What happened to them then?
They're detachable. I had it removed.
Why would you have your wings removed?
You see, my wings are really just for showing away. Since they're detachable, I had them removed. You know what? And I got them pierced. You know what? That totally overly acted. But hey, at least it wasn't like I had some higher portability, you know?
You got your wings pierced.
You know what? Other people have other parts of their bodies pierced under their wings since I've been down here on this rocky called Earth.
True, true. So let me get this. You came down Earth and got your wings pierced. Surprisingly enough, God's not a big fan of pulling bodily calls and declares that you have to have your removed.
Yeah, more or less. You know what God told me? Let me think. Artemis, wings are driven and she not died. Now that you have lost it right, I want you to go down to earth and think about what you've done. So, here I have the ring. Stuck in this world filled with hard metal rock bands, Steven Spielberg movies, and people who eat McDonald's as a staple food.
What's so bad about
The
McDonald's?
calories, look at me, I'm getting fat. Seriously.
Anyway, my mother told me not to talk to weird, looking, ugly strangers like you, and so I really think I should go now.
You know what? Since you called me ugly, really hurt. But if you really want proof that I'm an angel, let me just show you some of my powers.
Okay, I believe you. I'm sorry for telling you. Oh, Holy One, pray for us. Pray for our people.
You're embarrassing me. Before without you see, I work for a living same as you. Something is sign. You need to fix the paperwork.
Okay, Carter.
You see, every bureaucratic system has paperwork to fill out. Birthday, please.
If you don't mind me asking though, why exactly am I here?
Because you've been chosen. That's why. Birthday, please.
Chosen for what?
To serve God, of course.
Yeah? But in what way?
Didn't the letter tell you already?
No.
God must get the best.
All it said was,
What?
dear Rex, your services are come to ATI office at 6 o'clock. Formally are gone.
Well then, let me be the first to break the news to you. Because you see, you got the have been chosen to be the next great prophet.
Wait! There must be some kind of mistake. I can't be a prophet.
Yes, I know. The prophet Greta does not inspire much hope, does it? Birthday, please.
September 11th.
September 11th.
That's not what I meant, though. Why does he want me? I am not such a great person.
You know what? Ours is not the reason why. Ours is what to do in that. Now, you'll just, sign here on this dotted line. You can begin your holy quest, and I can go home. Hurry up. I said hurry up. Now.
Wait a second. What does this part here say?
Which part?
This part right here.
Where?
This part written in 1.
See, this one. It's nothing really. It's just the death clause.
Death clause?
It's nothing really important really. You see, everybody dies, but you just die a bit more painfully than most.
Why do you have to die painfully? I mean, Aaron's my boycott for.